Hello students, as you have seen in the video yesterday we have done the addition sums. Today we are going to start some facts related to the addition facts. First fact, commutative property. What is the meaning of commutative property? Commutative property means we can add the numbers in any order, means first number and plus second number, or second number plus first number, as I have written. When two numbers are added, the sum is the same regardless of the order of the addends. Means that I have told, when we add first number with second number or second number with first number, our answer will be same to same. Here I have written one example also. 3427 plus 1230, that is equals to 1230 plus 3427, means order is changed. Here this is the first addend, this is the second addend. Now in the right side what happens? The second addends become the first addends and the first addends become the second addends, means we have changed the order of the addends. Now I have add 3427 plus 1230, 7 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 2 6, 3 plus 1 4. Now this side 1230 3427, 7 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 2 6, 3 plus 1 4, means we can add the numbers in any order. Our answer will be same to same, or you can say our sum will be same to same. This property is called the commutative property. Our next property is the additive identity property. What is the meaning of additive identity property? Means what number we can add in the given number so that our answer remains same to same. The sum of any number and 0 is the original number, means we have to add any number into the given number, then our answer will be same to same. What number is that which never change the sum after addition? That is only 0, means 1 2 3 4 7 0 plus 0, this is equals to 1 2 3 4 7. Here this 0 is called the additive identity, and this name of this property is additive identity property. Means we can add 0 in any number, then our answer will remain same to same, or our sum will remain same to same. Our next property is their associative property. In associative property, what we will do? We will take the three numbers. First we will add two numbers, then that sum we will add in the third number. Or next side what we will do? We will add second addends and third addends, then that sum we will add in first addend, then our answer will remain same to same. You can see here. When three or more numbers are added, the sum is the same regardless of the grouping of the addends. Grouping means regroup them. Here I have written example 900 plus 600. First what we will do? These two numbers we have grouped together, means first we will add these two numbers. 900 plus 600, that is 1500. 1500 plus 100, that is 1600. In that side, right hand side, what we will do? In right hand side we will make the group of last two addends, means addend 2 and addend 3, and first addend will remain separate. First addend is 900, second addend is 600, and third addend is 100. Now we will group these two numbers together. 600 plus 100, 700, and this is 900. Now add 900 and 700, 1600, and 1500 plus 100 is 1600. But you can see, when we regroup the numbers and when we find the sum, that answer will remain same to same. The name of this property is called the associative property. Now the next property is there, that Our next property is distributive property. Distributive property means first we add two numbers, then that sum is multiplied by any third number that is equals to the sum of first number and multiply by second number plus some number and third number. You can see the sum of two numbers time a third number is equal to the sum of each addends time the third number. Means we have to add two numbers, then that sum we will multiply by any third number. Here 6 and 3, these are multiplied. 6 and 3 multiply by 4. That is the one side. Then in next side what is said? Number is equal to the sum. Is equals to the sum of each addends. These are the addends times the third number. This is the third numbers. Addends, these are addends. These are addends multiplied by this number. This is the same to same. This is called the distributive property of multiplication over addition. What does it mean? You can see this is multiply sign and this is plus sign. Now what is done here? This multiplication sign is distributive over this plus sign. First 4 multiplied by 6 plus 4 multiplied by 3. You can see the answer will be same to same. 6 plus 3, 9. 4 6 times 24. 4 3s are 12. 4 9s are 36. 24 plus 12, 36. This is called the distributive property. Next property is successor. Successor of a number. Successor of a number, as the name suggests that when we got the success, when whatever we have we add something in that one, then we got the success. If whatever we have that is same to same, that remains same to same, then there is no success. And if we add something in that one, then that is called the successor. Means successor of a number means we add plus 1 in the any number, then we get the successor. When 1 is added to a number, give the successor. When 1 is added to a number, gives the successor of that number. Means what we are doing? We are adding 1. Whatever number is given in that one we will add, then we will get the successor. Example. $31,257 plus 1, then we have got 31,258. This 31,258 is called the successor of 31,257, or in another words we can say the just after. Next number. Next property is number plus 10. number plus 10. As this property suggests that 1 is added the digits which is there at tens place. When 10 is added to a number, the digit at the tens place is increased by 1 means when we add 10 in any number, then what change will be there in that one? The digit which is there at tens place, in that digit we will add a 1, that is increased by 1. For example, 75,631 plus 10, 31 plus 10, 41. You can see 0 plus 1, 1, and 3 plus 1, 4, and after that nothing is there, then this will remain same to same. What change you can see here? In this number only tens place is increased by 1. When 10 is added, number plus 10 means 10 is added means the digit which is there at tens place, in that one we will add 1. This is called the number plus 10. Our next property is number plus 100. Our next property is number plus 100. What does it means? Number plus 100 means whatever number is given, in that one we have to plus the 100. Then what change will be there in that one? Only change will be there at 100 place digit. Now 100 place digit will be increased by 1. Here we have written when 10 is added to a number, the digit at the tens place is increased by 1. Here what will happen? When 100 is added to the number, the digit at 100 place is increased by 1. When 100 is added to a number, here tens place means tens place digit. Here 100 plus means 100 plus place digit will be increased by 1. Example you can see. What you can observe here? You can see here 6, 1, 2. This is ones place digit. This is 100 place digit. This is, and this is tens. This is 100 and this is 1000. You can see what is change in this one. Only 100 place digit will be increased by 1 and others digits will remain same to same. See, 2 same to same, 1's place, 10's place 1 same to same. Only this is 100 place. This is 1's, 10's, 100 and this is 1000. Only 100 place digit. 100 place digit is increased by 1. This is 100 place digit, only plus 1 here, otherwise there is no change. Our next property is number plus 1000. Number plus 1000 means the digit at 1000 place, what is there in that one, plus 1 will be there. Or in other word we can say that when 1000 is added to a number, the digit at 1000 place is increased by 1. 1000 place is increased by 1. Otherwise there will be same to same, no change.